Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to another Thrift Store Thursday. I am so glad you guys stopped by today because, you guys, last week I was complaining, well, not complaining, I was commenting that I wasn't finding a whole lot of Christmas stuff. Well, this week I went to Goodwill and I hit the Christmas jackpot. I am so thrilled. Some of you might already know what I'm talking about if you watched my what was the video called? It was like finishing touches to my Christmas decor. That was last week. I showed a little sneak peek in that video of what I picked up because I was so excited and I just had to share it with somebody. So if you've already watched it, you'll know what I'm talking about. If not, I will share with you today and you will see why I hit the Christmas jackpot. All right, so let's just go ahead and jump right into the haul today because it is fabulous. I love everything that I found. I think I say that every single week, but seriously, I feel like lately I've been finding some exceptionally cool things, and this week is no exception. I went to 3 different thrift stores and I just bought a few things at each one. I went to Unique, I went to Goodwill, and also Value Village, which is one that I don't go to very often, so it's a little farther away from my house. But I was like, you know what? I haven't been there in a long time, and I hadn't even been there to look at their Christmas stuff yet, so that's what I did. So I'm going to start with the itsy bitsy little things that I picked up first, which just happens to be at the Value Village that I found some small things. And I always seem to have good luck there with like costume jewelry, which is what I found. I found a adorable set of, what do you call these? Clip-on earrings. I don't know if you guys remember, but I collect vintage rhinestone pins, necklaces, bracelets, anything rhinestone. I just love it. I love the sparkle of it. I think it is so much fun. So I found an adorable pair of clip-on earrings. There we go. Aren't these gorgeous? These might be a little hard to see, but they kind of got like an Art Deco kind of look to them to me. And I think they are absolutely gorgeous. So I found these for $2.99, which I thought was a great price. And I just love them so much. I haven't even tried them on. Maybe I should try them on. There we go. Isn't that gorgeous? I love them. I don't wear earrings very often, but clip-on earrings, I don't know what it is. It just makes me feel like I'm playing dress up when I wear clip-on earrings. So I just think it's kind of fun. So I thought these were absolutely gorgeous. So of course I had to pick those up and add to my little collection that I've got going on. And I'm so thrilled because when my mom was, it's story time I guess. When my mom was cleaning out her last apartment and moving into her newer apartment, she gave me one of her vintage jewelry boxes that you open up and it's got the little ballerina in it and it's like this really soft baby blue velvet inside. It's absolutely gorgeous. And my collection of vintage rhinestone stuff looks so pretty in it. I just love opening it up and have the little ballerina playing and see all my little pretty sparkly stuff. It just makes me so happy. So I am excited to add this set of earrings to my little jewelry box that is just so special to me. So super excited to have found those. Yeah, anyways. So then another little small thing that I picked up was a Christmas pin. I'm always on the lookout for Christmas pins, and this is the first one I found this year. This one was $1.99, and it is a cute little bell, which I think is absolutely lovely. I love that it's red and it's got the little bow and some greenery, and I just think it is so, so pretty. So I was happy to find that. I always say I'm going to do something with these every year, but I have yet to do anything with them. And I don't even like wear like a normal jacket when I go out that I could like put it on the lapel. I always wear like a sweatshirt and a vest. So it doesn't really go with like cutesy little, you know, brooches or pins or whatever. So I don't know. I think it would be kind of fun to make like a little pillow or something and put some of these on, but I've yet to do that. So anyways, so I did find 2 other things at the Value Village store. The first one being a pewter plate. You guys know how much I love pewter So I found this one right here. It was on sale. The pink tags were on sale for 50% off. So I got it for $1, which I thought was awesome. My lighting is terrible right now. The sun just keeps coming in and out of the clouds. So I apologize for that. But I need to get this video done, so I can't really, I don't know. I don't know what to do about it. So I apologize for that. But anyways, I was super excited to find this guy. I found one this size not too long ago, but there was only one of them. So now I have two. So when I put the pewter with my white plates on my plate rack, I'll now have a pair, which I think is awesome. Let me see if I can't do something about the sun here. All right, now I'm not being blinded, so that's a little better. All right, so this next item that I picked up at the store was $3.99. It is so adorable. It is what I believe to be a vintage hat, and it is in red velvet, you guys, and it is absolutely adorable. It looks like this. It's got this cute little brim on it. If you can see here, kind of tapers down in the back. And then it's got a cute little bow on the front. It looks to me like there might have originally been something right here, because there's three little like dots. Like maybe there was like a flower in the middle or something. I don't really know. But I think this is absolutely gorgeous. First of all, you guys know how much I love red. It's like my favorite color. I love it in my decor. I love to wear red. So this is like absolutely perfect for me. And I think it is so cute. The brand on it is called Stylecraft Originals Dallas, it says. Like I said, I am still learning about vintage, so I don't know for sure if this is actually vintage. But the tag to me looks rather vintage. I don't know, it just looks vintage to me. So if it is not, that is fine, but I just think it's adorable. So I haven't really even, I think you wear it for kind of farther back on your head like this. Isn't it cute? I don't know. I need to do like a big poof. There we go. See, that would look better if I had a big poof. Some victory rolls or something, or whatever you call those little poofy bang things. But isn't that cute? I just love it. I love it. So this is the second hat I found this month, I think. I found a black velvet beanie, which most of you think, or at least have told me down in the comments, you think it was probably from like maybe 70s, 80s, something like that. But that's totally cool, because that is definitely vintage at this point. So I just love that. I don't know if I'll ever wear that one. This one I think I have a better chance of wearing because I love it so much, and it fits my head really nicely. So anyways, thought that was super duper cool. So I was super fun and excited to find that. All right, so then the next store I went to was Unique, and I tried really hard to find some things that I would like to bring home from there, but I wasn't having very good luck until I went down the candle aisle, and you guys, I hit the jackpot. I found an oil lamp for, what was it? $3.19, and it has the chimney on it, you guys, which is awesome. And it looks like this. It's a smaller version. It looks rather old, and I just think it is so adorable, and a great price at $3.99 or $3.19. This one I don't think I will use because this part is a little like wonky, but it'll be definitely good for displaying. So I'm super excited to have found that. Alright, so then I went down the aisle just a little bit longer, a little bit about 5 feet away. There was another oil lamp, you guys, and this one was $3.99, and it is gorgeous. It came with the chimney as well, and it looks like this. Look at this. It is so gorgeous. I'm going to take this off here real quick. So gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. I love it so much. I think this is so pretty. The design on it is so gorgeous. However, this one also is going to be just a This one also, however, this one also is just going to have to be a display one because this little thing is broken. I don't know if you can see that. It's got a break in it. It's got a couple little breaks in it, and it's kind of bent and wonky. So that means this little part of it that goes over the top of it and holds the chimney is not real secure. You basically get it on there and then you don't touch it. And if it's just going to sit on the shelf, it'll be perfectly fine. But I'm afraid to actually like use it in real life. So I will save that privilege for other oil lamps, and this one will be purely decorative, but which is a really great lamp for that purpose because it is absolutely gorgeous. And I couldn't be more happy to have found 2 more oil lamps. I think this means I have 8 large ones, or large medium-ish ones, and like 2 minis. So I am just like thrilled with those finds. So then I went to one more store, and this was Goodwill. And I wasn't planning to go that day. I had gone to the grocery store, and I'm like, you know what, I've got a little bit of time. I'll just quick run in for a quick little, look around, see if there's any Christmas stuff, because I hadn't really found anything Christmassy very much this year. So I'm like, I'm going to go check it out, and, 5-minute stop or whatever. So I get in there, and the very first row that I go down of Christmas stuff had this. You guys, unbelievable. It doesn't have its base, nor does it have the light in it, but that is just fine with me. It was only $5.99, if you can believe that. And I think it is so, so pretty. And it's rather large. It's probably about a foot tall. Maybe a little larger. I'm not quite sure. But anyways, I am just loving this. I was shocked beyond belief that this was still at the store, to tell you the truth. Because if anyone else like me had gone in there, they would have scooped it up just like I did. I mean, I barely even looked at it. I just threw it in my cart. I'm like, oh my gosh, I got to get out of here quick, because someone's going to try to steal it out of my cart. But yeah, it was awesome. I couldn't believe it. I was so, so thrilled. But then, things got even better. I went down the next aisle, and you're not going to believe this, you guys. I found another one. Yeah, I found another one, and this one was, let me see, how much was this one? This one was $6.99. It's shorter, it's littler, looks like this, but it did come with the base that it sits on and the light bulb, which I was lazy. I didn't unplug it because, of course, you guys, I got these home and I had to set them up right away. So I was lazy this morning and decided I wasn't going to climb under the table to unplug it. So I can't show you the base, but it's a cute little base. It's got like the little holly, raised embossed area in the front of it. And it's got the long, typical light bulb that goes into them. So I was super thrilled to find this one. I'm kind of bummed that none of these have like names on them, because I've seen where, because a lot of these were handmade by people at like ceramic places, and so they put their little names on the bottom, which would have been really cool. But I am still super duper thrilled that I found these. These are like my absolute favorite things that I have been looking for years and have never found. So to have found 2 of them in the same day, and both of them under $10, is mind-blowing to me. I do have one of these trees that I had passed down to me from my mother, which I rediscovered this year. We have a Christmas village and a train that we put underneath our Christmas tree this year, but we haven't used it in over like 10 years, at least 10 years. So when we got it out this year and started setting it up, I saw at the bottom of the box, an old box that had a picture of, or like a drawing of a Christmas tree on it. I'm like, what is this? So I pick it up and I look at it and I'm like, oh my goodness, is this the lighted tree that we have been looking for? And lo and behold, it was. I have had this thing in storage. It's a smaller version of this. I mean, it's slightly smaller than this one, but it is one that my mom actually made in the early 70s, like before I was born, or probably around that time. When she was living in Alaska, she did a lot of ceramics there because there wasn't a whole lot to do. But we had thought that thing had been lost, and we had no idea where it was. We've been talking about it for years, and nobody knew what had happened to it. And this whole time, it's been sitting in my basement, and I had completely forgot about it. I am such a dork. So anyways, I found it this year, and I was so happy to have found it. I now have it in my bedroom. So I'm so happy about that. So finding both of these light up trees is why I'm considering it a Christmas jackpot. I am just absolutely over the moon, thrilled to have found them, and I have them both set up in my dining room, and I just absolutely love them. I think they are so cool. So I am just like in hog heaven, thrifting heaven, whatever you want to call it, over these trees. So, all right, so that is what I found this week at the thrift stores. And once again, I feel like I had a great haul this week. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I would love to know down in the comments which of the items I found this week is your favorite. And of course, if you were out and about thrifting this past week and found something that you are absolutely in love with, I would love to hear about it down in the comments. So leave me a comment down there. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. And if you enjoyed today's video, hit that thumbs up for me. That would very much help out my channel. All right, guys, I hope you guys have a wonderful week. Christmas is just around the corner. Hope you guys aren't stressing out too much. I just realized myself that we're like below the 2-week mark, and I'm like, oh my gosh, I've got so much to do. So today I'm going to go finish up my Christmas shopping. This weekend I'm going to do my baking, and when I'm done with that, I feel like I will have a handle on Christmas this year. So hope you guys have a handle on things as well, and I will see you again next week for another Thrift Store Thursday. Bye now.